and I'll make it sure that it happens. And dear friends, I would like to thank, first of all, inform you that Manujorki Sungo was the main person who, because of whom this has happened. He has been aggressively pursuing the, opening of this bid office here in Laskin. He has raised in the assembly sessions also. Then I called him and then I assured him that, say, Manujorki, don't worry, we will sanction it at the earliest. We are trying to consider some other bid offices also, but then this is the first one which got sanctioned and then inaugurating today. So wish you all the best and hope that this will be a beacon of hope and also the center of everything which will cater to the needs of this area. And I would also like to thank our Kong Ibashisha Rinja, director, under whose leadership in the department, has moved, so fast. I requested Kong, please put up this request of Manu Jorki Sumo. Immediately she has put up, and it has come to me, and a necessary sanction was at the necessary sanction was done at the earliest. So it was because of Kong Iwashi Sharinja, director, and her staff which made this possible. So thank you, Kong, and we will be missing your services in the department because you will be retiring very soon. This month itself, Kong Ibashisha will be retiring. So we'll be missing a leader, we will be missing a sister, we will be missing an officer who has worked very hard for the department and for the state of our Meghalaya. Dear friends, with regard to the demand for civil subdivision, as has been mentioned by Doloy of Elaka Raliam and also by our Honorable MLA, I want to make it a point here. There are certain criteria for getting sanction for the civil subdivision. So therefore, I hope all the criteria are fulfilled for establishing a civil subdivision here. And Manu Jorki Sungo is pursuing the issue aggressively. I'm there for him, I will support him, and I'll also speak to our Honorable Chief Minister. If the criteria are fulfilled, then the demand for civil subdivision may be considered. But I'm not assuring you, but we will try our level best along with our local MLA. So, dear friends, with these few words,